Hi, good day to all of you. Our topic for the discussion today is all about multiplication and division of fraction. So how are we going to perform multiplication and division of fraction? So in multiplication, as simply as this, numerator multiply by numerator, and then denominator multiply by denominator. Or in short, taas sa taas, baba sa baba. Okay? So for division, we are going to get the reciprocal of the divisor first, then change the operation into multiplication. Again, going back to multiplication, numerator times numerator all over denominator times denominator. So let us try. Number 1. So we have 2/3 times 5 over 7. So in multiplication, just simply multiply numerator by numerator and then denominator by denominator. So we have 2 times 5 over 3 times 7. So we have 2 times 5, that is 10. All over 3 times 7, that is 21. So this will be our final answer. Okay? Next, number 2. 1/2 times 2/3 times 3/4. So let us rewrite numerator, all numerator, then all denominator. We have 1 times 2 times 3. All over 2 times 3 times 4. Okay? So always remember guys, if we have same numbers in numerator and denominator, we can cancel out. So this is what I mean. We have 2 in numerator and 2 in denominator, we can cancel it para at least lowest term ang ating final answer. Then 3 cancelled. So the remaining will be equal to 1/4. As easy as that. Okay, this will be our final answer. Next, number 3. 5 over 12 times 16 over 15 times 3 over 4. As you can see, it is a little bit bigger number, right? So the technique here is just simply get the prime factors of those numbers, right? So we have 12. What are the prime factors of 12? That is 2 times 2 times 3. Next, 16. What are the prime factors of 16? That is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Next, 15. We have 3 times 5. And then last one, 4. That is 2 times 2. So instead writing 12, 16, 15, and 4 in our working equation, we are going to write their prime factors. So let's move on. So 5 times, about 4, 16. We have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay? Then, times 3. All over, so 12, we have 2 times 2 times 3. For 15, we have times 3 times 5. For 4, that is times 2 times 2. Okay? So let us cancel out those terms which is similar in numerator and denominator. So 5, that is being cancelled. We have 2 and 2. Another 1. 2 and 2. Another 1. 2 and 2. Next, 2 and 2. Then the last one, 3 and 3. As you can see, all the numbers in numerator are being cancelled. That meaning that is 1. That is not 0. Okay? If there is no remaining in our numerator, that is 1. That not 0. So 1 over, what is the remaining in our denominator? The remaining is 3. So our answer here is 1/3. Number 4. This is an example of mixed fractions. So how are we going to perform multiplication of mixed fraction? simply change the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Then numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. No? So we have 2 and 1/2, that is 5 over 2 times what is 3 and 3 over 5 as improper fraction, that is 18 over 5. Okay, so factor out 18. What are the prime factors of 18? That is 2 times 3 times 3. So instead of writing 18, we are going to use 2 times 3 times 3. So for numerator, we have 5 times 18. So that is 2 times 3 times 3 all over 2 times 5. Okay, so canceled out those same term in numerator and denominator. So 5 canceled, then 2 is canceled. As you can see in this example, there's no remaining in the denominator, the same as numerator. So if all numbers are being canceled in denominator, that is equal to 1. So this is 3 times 3, that is 9 all over 1, or that is equal to 9. Okay, next, number 5, 3 and 1/2 times 2 times 3/4, the same. Change the mixed fraction into improper, then the whole number, just put 1 as denominator, and then perform the indicated operation. Remember, the whole number, the denominator of it is 1. So let's try. What is the improper fraction of 3 and 1/2? That is 7 over 2. Times 2 over 1 times 3/4. Okay, so we have 7 times 2 times 3 for the numerator, then for the denominator, so it can be written as 2 times 2. So 2 times 1 times 2 times 2. Okay, so canceled out, so that is only 2. So we will be having 7 times 3, that is 21 over 4, or if we 5 and 1/4. This will be our final answer. Next, number 6. This is an example of division. So what we are going to do is to get the reciprocal of the divisor. This is our divisor, yung pinang-divide natin, no? If we say reciprocal, the numerator will become denominator, then the denominator will become numerator, then change the operation into multiplication. So we have 6 over 7 times, get the reciprocal, that is 4 over 3. Okay, then let us perform the indicated operation. So we have 6, it can be written as 2 times 3, then times about 4, it can be written as 2 times 2, all over 7 times 3. Okay, so do we have similar term? 3 cancelled. So now our final answer will be 2 times 2 times 2, that is 8 over 7. This will be our final answer. Next, number 7. We have 1 and 4/5 divided by 3 over 8, the same as multiplication. Change the the mixed fraction into improper fraction, then perform the indicated operation. So we will be having 9 over 5 divided by 3 over 8. So we change the mixed fraction into improper, then get the reciprocal, change the operation into multiplication. It will give us 9 over 5 times 8 over 3. Okay, So, ito pwede na natin siyang i-cancel. It will give us 1 and 3. So, we have 3 times 8 over 5 times 1. 3 times 8, that is 24 over 5. Or 4 and 4 over 5. This will be our final answer. Next, number 8. So yan, ganun ulit. We have 14 over 17 divided by, what is the improper fraction of this? That is 28 over 9. Then get the reciprocal. 14 over 17 times 9 over 28. So get the prime factors. So 14, that is 2 times 7. For 9, that is 3 times 3. 17 is a prime number, no factor. So 28, that is 2 times 2 times 7. So for 14, we have 2 times 7 times, about for 9, that is 3 times 3. All over for 17, so wala. 17 times about for 28, 2 times 2 times 7. So let us cancel. 7, 7, another. So we have 2, 2. So no more. For the numerator, we have 3 times 3, that is 9. All over, for the denominator, that is 17 times 2, all over 34. So that our final answer will be 9 over 34. Next, the last number, number 9. That is 2 and 3/4 divided by 1 and 23 over 32. So change first into improper fraction. So this is 11 over 4 divided by this is 55 over 32. Get the reciprocal. That is 11 over 4 times 32 over 55. Okay? So, pwede rin naman natin i-cancel kung kaya na natin makita natin na it can be lowest term na natin, no? So, this one, they are divisible by 11, so it will become 1. This one will become 5. About the 4 and 32, yes. Divisible by 4, this one will become 1. This is this one will become 8. Okay? So for our numerator, the remaining will be 1 times 8. For the denominator, we have 1 times 5. So the final answer will be 8 over 5 or 1 and 3/5. This will be our final answer. So that's all for our discussion today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Keep safe, everyone.